So I'm going to show you how to create a Kodethon course. So what you do is at the welcome page, there's a button called Access Course. All you have to do is to click on it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Access a Course. You'll see that the page will load and we'll go to the courses page. You'll also see that there are currently a few courses here. I'm going to go ahead and create a new course right here. I'm going to call this course ECS10. I'm going to title it Introduction to Programming. You have the option of adding a password. I'm going to go ahead and not do that right now. I'm going to click Create a Course. So the course has been successfully created. I'm going to head on back. And here you can see that your course has been created. Now I'm going to go ahead and visit the course. So right here you see that there are a few things that are created for you by default. There's an assignment section. So here is where you'll create your assignments. A students project section. Here your students can add their projects. And you can see what they're currently working on. There is a getting started section. We'll revisit this in a bit. And there's a staff and student section. So here you can add students and you can search. You can also view their grades later. So here I'm going to start by creating an assignment. Let's go ahead and click on this. And the first thing you do is to create the assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. I'm going to title my first assignment Homework 1. And give it the description first assignment. And the destination course here is ECS10 because that's the name of the course. And I'm going to go ahead and not add any people. You can do this, you can add TAs here, but for now I'm just not going to do that and click Create. So Create. Now once I've created an assignment, I'm going to add a problem to it. So you can think of a problem as like parts to an assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and create a problem. So here you can add default test files, which is what we're going to do in a second. I'm going to call this problem part 1. And I'm going to upload some files. Add a file. I'm going to click part1.zip, which is my default file. And I'm going to upload. So the files will be submitted when you create the problem. So I'm going to say OK to that. And then for now, that's all you really have to do. There's some additional settings, but we were not going to worry about that right now. Go ahead and click Next. So this little message here is saying is that you have the option of creating an output template, this is mainly for when you export your grades. So this section right here is for creating a template. So what happens is that we expect your test script to output JSON format. And right here is that we'll take the key inside your JSON format and replace it with the value. So for example, if the key email in your JSON format had the value abc@gmail.com, your output template will output abc@gmail.com and then the corresponding score. So for now, we'll just leave this as is and we'll click Create. It will tell us that the problem has successfully been created. And let's go ahead and view the files. You'll see that a config.yaml file will be created for you. We're not going to take a look at this right now, but this will contain the settings to your different homework parts. We're instead going to take a look at part 1, which is the name of the problem that we just created. You see that a few default files get created for you, which is the files that I uploaded. We'll go ahead and take a look at the test script. Paste a default value to it. This script will basically go through each input in this input folder right here, run the student submission, compare it to the answers. So we're going to also take a look what's in the input file. So each input file can be used in your tester. So this input folders will be available, and same thing with this answers folder. So once you upload all these files, this is pretty much all you have to do. More details can be explained by visiting our documentation, or feel free to ask us questions. But as of right now, your assignments is pretty much ready. There may be some parts that still unclear, like what each of these folders are doing. Definitely feel free to contact us or ask us for help. So the last thing that I wanted to show is that once your problem has been created, once your assignment has been fully created, there is this link right here under assignments. So all your students has to do is they'll go to this course page and they'll click on this link right here, and the assignment files will be copied into their own files, and they can work on it from there. So again, that's all you really have to do for now. And thank you for watching this tutorial.